Wagwan my people, bless up everybody, bless up. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. And you don't know, before we jump into the video, may I beg everybody boss a like, boss a share, boss a subscribe. I have a big up Father God. Thank Father God who have a life to the people. Alright people, so you don't say Jamaica kind of troubled right now, and when the good things them happen, we roll them out, but you don't know when time the negatives them happen as well, we have to roll out that. And this is a conversation captured on Andre's live. People, a female that was traveling in a Probox taxi, and they tried to abduct her. So she had to, get a bit defensive, not necessarily defensive, but she had to do some quick thinking, people. You understand? She had to be tactful and all of that. She do some little thing, mess with the gear stick, and then that derailed them. And the most shocking part about these people, she said a female was in the vehicle with her as well. And a female was, was a part of the abduction as well. So people, I'm just going to run that video right now. And after that, we're going to come back right here. So have a little conversation.
The driver was attempting to take me away, basically. So I was going downtown and he turned off somewhere else and I was going a different road.
So you're going downtown, where you're coming from? You have to be precise, my student.
Yeah, so I was coming from Jonestown. I don't know if you know that area.
You're coming from Jonestown. Jonestown pretty close to downtown.
Yes, so you drive Slipe Road, is it Slipe Road or Slipe Penny Road? And we were like right behind Jubilee Hospital, like that area. And you were supposed to take the right turn to go on Princess Street, but instead you took the left turn. No, you took the right turn to go to go down Anatown, and you were supposed to take the left turn to go down Princess Street. So when he did that, now I was like, wait a minute, like what's happening? Where are you going? Because downtown is that way. And he was not responding. I was saying, driver, all right, I'm just going to take it here, and then walk the rest of the way. And he wasn't doing anything, and he locked the doors. Now, what I did that allowed me to get out of that situation was to I reached over because I was sitting directly behind the driver, so I reached between the two seats, and I put the car in reverse.
Oh, you put the car in a reverse. Oh, you pull the...
Yeah, so I put the car in reverse, and the transmission, that stalled the transmission in the car. There was a lady in the car. There was a lady in the front seat, and she was like, oh, just let her go, just let her run. And he opened the door, and I was able to get out. Because apparently they weren't expecting that. That's something that they didn't plan for. And
so you're saying that a lady and him were a part of your abduction?
Yes, there was a woman in the car.
So you're saying a woman was aiding this man to carry you away? Mighty God.
And the car, I didn't get a license plate number, but it was a silver Probox. And it was a red plate taxi. It had the checkered lines and everything.
So it says a silver Probox with the red plate taxi?
Yes.
And it had the checkered around it?
Yes, with taxi marked on it and everything.
Mighty God. How old are you, ma'am?
I am 24.
24? Mighty God. And so you know how the woman look?
Not because she was sitting in front of me. I didn't get a good facial, I don't have a good facial description, but I know that she was probably fair in color and she was a little bit on the thick side.
So you say you reverse the car and put the car in a what?
I put the car in reverse. So I damaged the transmission. That's how I was able to get.
So you damaged them transmission?
Yes.
So them have to do it. So, but if the transmission damaged, that means that they couldn't move for some time.
they were able to still move the car, but like not very fast. So when
and you still never get to capture the license plate?
No, because Andre, honestly, in that moment, the only thing that I was thinking is just to get away from these people. Like, just spare my life, because I didn't know if they had a gun. I didn't know if they were going to come after me. So I just wanted to get out of there.
Oh, you said this happened in Jonestown area, then pick you up in Jonestown?
Yes.
Mighty God. If you see the car again, you will know it?
I'm not sure, like, because there's honestly a lot of silver Pro Box.
So you never pick up the face of the driver?
He was dark, he was slim, and he had like flat hair.
Well, you know what I want to say to you tonight? I'm glad you did what you did.
Thank you.
I'm glad that you reacted and reversed the vehicle and destroyed their transmission, because possibly you would be missing and not even found like Donnelly.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Nobody wouldn't even know where to begin looking for me.
But I'm glad that you're alive. If you want a counselor to talk to, send me a WhatsApp and I will have a counselor talk and pray with you, okay?
I will, thank you.
Alright? But keep strong, you know. Keep strong. And if you're going to have to do this again, try to have somebody go with you.
Yes, I will.
Alright? Because we don't want our young ladies and young men disappearing and dying. And I'm glad that you were able to tell the story today. Because if you never tell the story today,
somebody else,
you would have come, if them parents would have probably have come on the platform Wednesday, Thursday, call police. I go say, you're not report missing till 72 hours.
Yes.
Alright? Thank you, my darling.
Alright, my people, you see what I go on right there, so you hear what I go on right there. So, and before me even make a commentary right now, I gotta take the time frame and big up Andre Stevenson. Andre Stevens, big up yourself, Chief. Big up yourself. Because initially when you forward out, everybody they feel like there's some mix up thing you depend with Jonas and them thing there. And you understand that's what everybody did a try gravitate at that time, and then them realize they never depend the mix up thing. I'ma see them kinda started pull away, and now everybody depend your thing. So big up yourself, Chief, and that only means that you do something good. You understand? Especially that message here is a very important message that we want to get out. And Andrea can help out the female in terms of like counseling and all of that. She can message him privately. But people will have to be vigilant, right? A lot of persons don't take taxi, but a lot of persons still do. So we just have to be vigilant, all right? We have to keep our eyes open. She said that a female was in there as well. She was a part of the, you know, the whole trap. So we just have to be vigilant, people. Whether males, whether females, just be vigilant when traveling out there. Alright, this is where I'm going to jump off here today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please continue to like, share, subscribe. Let's get Jamaican chat out there, everyone. Have a great day.